Hi everyone, welcome to Magic in Minutes. I'm Shumita और आज मैंने आपके लिए लाई हूँ a quick, easy, tasty and healthy recipe, अदरकी आलू गोभी. आलू गोभी तो हर घर में बनता है. It's a very popular item, but अदरकी आलू गोभी, trust me, is different. It's चटपटा, it's tasty, it's got a hint of ginger. So चलो शुरू करते हैं बनाने ये आसान रेसिपी. Take a कढ़ाई, turn on the gas and then कढ़ाई में 2 चम्मच तेल डालना because this is a healthy recipe. तेल को थोड़ा गरम होने दीजिए and then we will add half a teaspoon of whole जीरा and then add finely chopped ginger to it. 1 मिनट के लिए सौते कीजिए. And now I'm getting the aroma of the sauteed ginger and the jeera. And now it's time to add the veggies. Kata hua aloo, gobi, cut into small florets. And now the masalas. Haldi powder, lal mirchi powder and dhania powder. And now mix well. So इसको अच्छी तरह stir करने के बाद ढक्कन लगा के इसको cook करना पड़ेगा till the veggies are soft and done. So let's wait for some time. It will take around 10 to 15 minutes for the veggies to become nice and soft. So the aloo and the gobi is cooked and now it's time to add something special to it. So first let's take a look at how the sabzi looks now. And now I'm going to add Maggi masala and magic, which will just transform the taste of this aloo gobi into something really magical. So let's add 1 sachet of Maggi masala and magic to this dish. And now add a little bit of salt for taste. And give it a good stir, cover and cook for 2 minutes. And this delicious, wholesome dish will soon be ready. So our dish is ready and it's now time to plate it. So the dish is ready and my lunch is ready. Let me take a quick bite before we go any further. Perfect. Really nice. If you enjoyed this recipe, do remember to share and like the video. And for more episodes, stay tuned to Magic in Minutes. Thank you. Bye-bye.